Here we have a extra clean 2021 Honda Pilot 7-passenger touring edition. Is a CarFax one owner, lady driven, purchased new originally here in Ocala. Has 4 brand new radials on it, a smoke-free cabin, and just as clean as you see. This Honda Pilot has 18 service records and is available today at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. It's a bright white with a medium tan leather interior, alloy wheels, tons of safety features, everything you'd expect when buying a Honda. 2021 Honda Pilot Touring Edition that's available today at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. We take a quick peek inside. You can see that it has a spacious cabin. It does have third row seating, but right now that's put down. And you can see the extra room that you have for luggage or cargo should you need. It does have a factory DVD player. Very roomy front area. Backup camera. Overhead, side, knee, rear passenger airbags. The leather is in great condition. Drives awesome. One owner CarFax, 4 brand new radials. It is available today at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. We're at 2261 Southwest College Road. This vehicle has a average market price of around $26,000 or $27,000, but it's available today at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala for much less. 2261 Southwest College Road. This is Chris at Prestige. We're open Monday through Saturday from 9 to 6, and it's our goal each and every day to make it both easy and affordable for our neighbors to own nicer and newer cars, trucks, and SUVs. This is Chris at Prestige. Our website is prestigeforyou.com. Just giving you another peek on the inside. This is an awesome opportunity to buy a super clean Honda Pilot for under $20,000, and it's available today at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. 2261 Southwest College Road. DVD player, tons of safety features, one owner CarFax, bright white, just as clean as you see. This is Chris at Prestige. We'll see you at the store.